Hey everybody, Dr. Anthony Youn, America's holistic plastic surgeon, and today I'm going to talk about what we can learn from Jane Fonda's plastic surgery. Now, Jane Fonda has been great when she's been open that she's had work done. She's 80 years old and 81 technically now, and the great thing about her is that she looks amazing, but she also is open and saying that this isn't all natural. So what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you what I think she's had done and maybe what you can learn from it from Jane. Here we go. So I need to let you know I am not Jane's plastic surgeon. This is all my opinions only. So my opinion only, I've never treated her. So this is a picture of Jane back in 2012. As you can see, she looks great. Okay, nobody would look at her and say she looks anything other than that. But this is before she's had a more recent facelift. And as you can see, there's a little bit of extra skin here. You can see a little, these are called platysmal bands down here, a little bit of wrinkling, but she looks amazing. So let's take a peek at now how she looked about 5 years later. This is her in 2017, so that's a pretty big difference. And where I really see the difference, as you can see, her neckline is very nice and tight. Now this is a sign of a well-performed facelift. Now some people think that a facelift really treats the whole face, but really in essence it really treats down here, the lower face and the neck. And it gives you a sharper jawline and a sharper neck. So that to me is a good sign of a well-done facelift because she doesn't look tight, she just looks rejuvenated and youthful. The other thing that I want you to notice is she's got fuller cheeks. Her cheeks definitely look fuller than they did back in 2012. So I believe she probably had some fat injections also in her cheeks to help fill them out. The other thing that I think we're seeing is maybe a little bit of Botox up in here as well to help smooth some of the wrinkles. Not too much Botox, she still has crow's feet out here, but maybe a little bit to help smooth those wrinkles and give her a nice youthful look. Final thing you want to take a peek at is her lips. And you can see how the lips look a bit fuller. Let me show you a side-by-side comparison. And so I think her lips may look arguably a little bit fuller afterwards, and you can really see now the difference in the facial shape. Looking amazing in both photos, but a little more amazing probably in the one 5 years later. So that's what I would consider a good facelift. Now there are some drawbacks of the facelift that you definitely need to know about, and those are scars around the ears. So the drawback of a facelift is you typically get scars that extend around the ears both in front and behind the ear. Those scars are permanent, and in some celebrities, when you're looking at your high definition picture, especially in male celebrities, you can see exactly where those scars are. Obviously with her hair down like this, you can't really see on her, but that's the big trade-off with the facelift. Now let's take a peek at how she looks like in 2018, just 1 year later. And this is her in 2018 at age 80. And once again, Jane Fonda looks incredible. I do think she may have had a few little tweaks between that last photograph in 2017 and this one in 2018. Her lips look a little bit fuller. Her cheeks look a little bit fuller. Once again, I do think she's had a touch of Botox, but not too much. Overall, I think she looks amazing, and she is a great example of well-done plastic surgery. More interesting videos right over here. Take a peek.